What's going on, guys? New video here. You might have seen on the last video, I left a little teaser at the end. You guys don't like them. No, you love them, but yeah, you can't stand them. So I thought today we'll reveal that car, the little teaser. Some of you guys know too much. Like I showed you a little teaser and you guys are switched on, so you already know what it is. Let's go have a look. It's a drift car, my track car. So that's just enough talking. Here it is. The old R31 Skyline. So I've had this for probably a year or two, just waiting. It's actually been in the corner over there. You probably would have seen it behind the 33 in the 33 videos, just hiding away. Yeah, that was mine the whole time, and you had no idea. So here it is. I've got it quite cheap. It's got the roll cage already. You know, it's been gutted. All the interior, the back seats are gone. You know, you got the bucket seats in here, ready to go. This bad boy. Oh mate, I cannot wait to use this. Yes. We've got some nice rims. I reckon they're pretty cool rims. It's like someone's had a kebab and put it down near the gearbox. The ignition panel there needs to be swapped out. So I bought it with a bunch of goodies, okay? Actually, I'll show you the engine bay first. That would make sense. So R31s, this one's just got a factory RB30 non-turbo. So the plan is I'm going to start drifting in NA non-turbo and then work my way up to turbo. I think that's the right way to learn. So yeah, that's that. Now let me show you the boot. Oh yeah, all right. Now these are the goodies that came with the car. Oh yeah, that's right. Max speeding rods. Cancer. There's a few things that we need to do to this car before we start drifting. It needs rear brakes. And we've got to set up the Hydro e-brake as well. But other than that, there's not much to do. Oh, the ignition panel needs to swap that out, which, ta-da, got to put this one on. Got all your switches, engine start. Oh, that's gonna be cool. Oh, look at that. It's a real race car, it's going to be. So it's got the full conversion for a turbo. Intercooler piping, exhaust manifold, fuel rail, intake. What's in here? Oh, there's ECU and stuff in here. Thing is here. Oh, that's the intercooler. This all came with the car, so it was a fucking perfect buy back in the day. It's gonna be a fun project. I've got to get it going first. But the beauty about this and not that is, you know, it's a drift missile. I don't have to really care about making things looking top notch and beautiful and perfection. Perfection doesn't exist, by the way. We can just work on it, get the job done. With the 33, of course, we want to make it look nice. As you can see, we're making massive amounts of progress here. You'll see it one day. See this big thing? What could that be? More teasers for you. More cliffhangers. You love them, don't you? You love the cliffhangers. All right, that's the 31. So what we're going to do today is write out a roadmap on the whiteboard. I want to start the car up. I've heard it before. It sounds pretty fucking mean. I think you guys will like it. I think it's missing exhaust. Yeah, it kind of stops just after the diff. But the plan is as well, we're gonna have a couple of projects running on the channel. You know, we'll be going back and forth between working on the 31 and working on the 33. I think it should be a good mix. I've been working on building my shed so I can have a place to do this shit. But that's a big mission, building a shed for the first time. That's a job and a half for a gamer certified human. But we get the job done. Okay, I reckon let's get this cunt started. I ain't got no motherfucking time to kill. Sitting bitches down, serving my dick as their last meal. Always coming.
We tried to revive the dead battery, but it was no hope. Also, this ignition panel definitely needs to be switched out. Unfortunately, the mower wasn't able to charge the battery, so we're going to have to borrow the AU's battery.
Or if it even has fuel in it, to be honest.
Yeah, maybe it doesn't.
So we think it's out of fuel, but we don't actually have any fuel here. So we quickly headed down to the servo, got some, and then came back.
Thirsty girl. Now it's time.
It's one of those switches of the fuel pump.
Oh lordy. Oh, that's the fuel pump. Fuck yeah. Well, we got Skittles, so
Run it a couple of, yeah, true.
race car shit. What's that? In the washer bottle. Come on.
Did you check the oil?
Nah. I'll turn it off. Fuck, I forgot about the oil. I should have checked that. Do you want to check it real quick? I should have checked it before I turned it over.
Oh, yeah,
is there chunky in there? Oh no.
No, there's something in there at least.
Yeah, she's alright.
You hear that, right?
Yeah.
It might be a bearing, I don't know. Like not bearing, it's like alternator or something.
Sounds like it's high.
Oh, Lord. Yay. You're right, but it's not, I think that is.
Getting PTSD.
From here, just as you turn it off, it really sounded like out the front, right, like outside of the body or something. Like the part of the body, like something's loose in here. There it is.
Oh yeah, pull over. Yeah.
Cool.
Do you reckon we put water in there?
Yeah, absolutely.
Does that make it suck faster or something?
Oh, it tries to push water in where it hasn't gone yet. But I mean, the thermostat man is not opened yet, so. I can't even tell where we're up to, to be honest.
Hey,
Oh, okay.
beater.
Yeah, right. What's the plan?
Compression test. Oh, it's not gonna be easy. That's a lot of effort.
Imagine it start her up.
Let's actually hear it properly, give revving and shit, you know. Strange noises. The click doesn't sound too bad though.
The quick is injectors. It's also very laggy if you pin it.
Oh wow.
Is that the
Something switch.
Kaboom.
definitely running reach? We've got to get that sensor in that 100%.
Yep, running rich.
I don't know. Might be worth just for the sake of getting new leads. New leads,
Yeah.
plugs,
Yeah.
just things like that.
So yeah, there you go. RB30 action. So we got a few things to do. Let's get the road map. R31 road map. Comp test. We're gonna need some spark plugs, some leads, rear brakes, hydro brake setup, ignition panel, O2 sensor. New fluids. Stage 1. Stage 2 is turbo conversion. ECU, intake, exhaust, many fuel system, I guess. Front mount, intercooler, just the front mount. The catch can setup. That's going to be a special one. There we go. Touch, up, paint.
Mounting panels.
X, I guess. What's in there?
Crank angle sensor, I think. Well, maybe not. I don't know. A bunch of rubber. Oh, that's right, because there's no rubbers in the car.
Battery. That says battery. Clean. Shifter boot. What's going on here?
Aircon.
We need that.
It's gone.
Yeah, righto. Do you need a new fire extinguisher?
I don't know, we should probably find out. I guess we could find out today. If I did that out in the track, the car would be gone by now. Where's the date?
November 2015.
Oh yeah. Well, here we go. Oh, I should probably pull a pin. That doesn't taste good. Let's do some paraplegic shit.
Backflip.
Backflip. Can't do a backflip. I can. Oh no. Oh, you hungry, Matty? Open wide. Is that toxic? Sorry, Matty.
Hey, bub. He loves me.
Wait,
Went straight up your nose, didn't it?
that's toxic. No. Wait, Henry, get a shot from this angle. This is fucked. Right, ready?
Don't let him lick your hands.
Yeah.
Oh, he's gonna fucking rape you.
Oh man, come give it to me.
What are you imagining about that tongue right now?
I'm not into that shit, alright?
Anymore.
And gave that life up with the animals.
Boyd would be so proud of you.
Boyd, on the other hand, get in there, mate. Yeah. Make some weird groans or something. What are you doing? Oh, you caught, mate. It's all right. Calm down.
I'm such an asshole.
This guy. Shout outs to Maddie. Good go. Alright fellas, so that's the R31. Yeah, a bit of a project, lots of projects. We'll crack into it soon and do some drifting, get into it. And yeah, go from there. See if I can get decent at drifting. That's that. Oh, fucking... Till next time. Goodbye.